Well, good morning, everyone, team. First of all, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings. So before starting the session, can any one of you please confirm, am I audible to everyone, team?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for confirming. So one second, team, let me admin the other participants as well. Okay. So, welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings team. So today we are here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So my name is Kumar and I am the trainer for this program on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before starting the session for today, let me tell you something, team. So today in this session, we have mix of participants joining team, like considering the participants joining today's demo from different backgrounds. Like we have participants who recently passed out, freshers we have in the call today, and also people with other domain experiences, like working in other industry other than IT, planning their career to switch to IT industry with this technology. And we have also participants joining the session today who are already working in the IT industry, but on the different technologies, on different applications or different technologies. Now planning to learn this course and move to this Oracle HCM cloud application. So considering all the participants in the call today, we kept everyone in the mute team. So I will be taking all your questions at the end of the class. So we will be having ample time for our Q&A. At the end of the session, I will be addressing all your question and answers team. So I request everyone, meanwhile, in the class, if you have any doubts, try to note it down. Please park your questions team so that it won't disturb the flow or the thing that what we planned for today, we can complete it on a timely manner. So maximum 90% of your questions, like typically the type of questions you will have is, what is this technology is for? Who will be using this technology in the real-time market? What will be the scope of this technology? I'm having a career gap. Am I eligible to learn this? Or any prior prerequisites are there to learn this course? Or any coding is required to learn this course? Maximum 90% of your questions will get addressed within this session team. If anything else you are having the doubts or anything, at the end of the class, we will be talking about that team. So I'm going to start the session for today. So please concentrate for the next 1.5 hours. Today is a demo, so we will be slightly stretching for more 30 minutes team. But from tomorrow, it will be strictly 1 hour per day, 7 to 8 a.m. IST. Okay. So let me move on to today's topic team. So why we are here today team? Today, we are going to learn how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experience. So we are going to learn in this demo today how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experience if you have also team. Yes, we have one such technology in the market, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So as I mentioning here team, without any coding, like zero coding knowledge, means what team? This Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications we have in the market without any coding requirement team. So people from any background, you might be from different degrees, not necessarily BTech. You are from BA, BSc, BCom or any other graduate you are. If you want to plan your career in IT, a technology without any educational constraints or background we have is this Oracle HCM Cloud Applications team. So in this demo, I'm going to explain you what is this technology, who will be using this technology in the market, for what purpose, and once we learn this technology, where we will be working, what type of companies will be recruiting the candidates on this technology, or at the same time what type of packages companies offering in this technology, and down the line next 10 years if you are in this technology, what will be your career scope or career graph, that all we will be talking in today's demo team. So before entering into today's agenda team, let me briefly introduce about myself, who I am, what accreditation that I am holding in this respective technology team. See, as I already told you, my name is Kumar and I will be the trainer for this program team. And I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 14 years of experience team. So I'm holding 14 years of total experience in my career. And out of that, 12 plus years into this IT consulting team. So from the last 8 years, I've been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud implementations team. Prior to that, I worked on other ERP applications like e-business suite and PeopleSoft for quite some time. And later on, I moved to this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. From last 8 years or close to 8 plus years team, I've been part of this HCM Cloud applications. So coming to the projects that I worked on. So I worked on close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation, support, and the rollout projects team. And the clients that I worked for, they are from US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE, and even the clients from India also have been part of the project implementations team. So I'm having multi-country exposure in this Oracle HCM Cloud applications implementation team. And I'm also a Oracle certified implementation specialist. It means what team? Within this technology, certifications team. So for all the Oracle HCM Cloud modules, I have been certified as well. And I do also deliver corporate trainings team, like a part of the regular trainings happens in TrioTech every month. I do conduct trainings for corporate companies. So companies like Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, E&Y, Deloitte, uh, DHL, American Express, some of the clients that we recently served team. Like companies do provide the trainings to their employees in this technology in order to upskill their manpower or the employees team. So we've been associated with the corporate companies as well for conducting the trainings for their employees team. And I'm an ex-Deloitte Infosys E&Y employee team. And I'm also working for an MNC currently, where I'm working for one of the global implementation team. So this is my brief background, what I am. And I'm also official trainer in Oracle University as well team, where I do conduct trainings directly with Oracle as well in Oracle University team. So this is brief introduction about who I am, right? Now, moving to today's agenda team, what we are going to discuss in today's session. So these are the things that we are going to learn in today's demo team. First of all, I'm going to explain you what is ERP, introduction to ERP. Experienced people or people from other IT experiences or prior ERP experiences, you might aware of what is ERP and all team. But considering freshers and other non-IT people, I'm going to briefly explain here team introduction to ERP. So what is ERP and our Fusion application comes under what, that all we will see here team, and what are the different players available in the market, that we will see here team. And then I will talk about what is Fusion application and Fusion applications evaluation overview. Means team, First of all, what is this Fusion means? Oracle Fusion HCM means what? And for what purpose this technology will be used, and its evaluation overview, like when Oracle launched this product in the market. Prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the ERP applications available, the background and all we will be talking here team in what is Fusion application and applications overview team. And then I will talk about types of companies involved. See, in any IT application that you are learning team, any software technology or the application when you are learning, you should be knowing about typically who are the companies involved in the usability of this application or the product team, like who is a vendor, who is a client or the customer, and who is the consulting or the service provider company. So once you learn these types of companies involved team, you will understand, once you learn this technology, in what type of companies you will be hired and what you will do. That I will be explaining here team in types of companies involved. And then I will talk about team Fusion environment releases. It means when Oracle introduced these applications in the market, what is the release version Oracle introduced this application team? And since then, what is the evaluation? Means what? Now we are in 2024. So from the time Oracle introduced the application till today, how the release versioning happening team? Because see, any software you take, they will have the upgrade stream. Even in our mobile, Android mobile or Apple iPhone or anything you take, or even the laptop, Windows laptop we are using, on a timely manner, there will be upgrades to the software, Windows 7 to Windows 9, Windows 10, how the software is getting upgraded. In Fusion applications also, we have that upgradation team. So what is the upgradation cycle or the policy Oracle following, and how the release versioning Oracle will be following? That all we will talk here in Fusion environment releases team. And then I will introduce to you what are the modules we have in HCM cloud applications. Total, how many modules we have in this, and many of you having a doubt prior to the demo when people contacted me, Kumar, which one is having good demand? Like, do we have to learn functional or technical side of the application? So first of all, I will explain you what are the modules we have in this technology, what comes under functional and what comes under technical. What is having, I mean, which area is having good scope in the market. And also team, I will explain you here any prerequisites to learn this course. Like coding, I'm telling zero coding. Anything is required or not. If it is required, how or where it will be. That all I will give you the detailing in modules in HCM Cloud discussion team. And then I will talk about the career opportunities in this technology. Like what are the different roles that we have once you learn this technology. Then freshers, what are the packages companies offering? First of all, do freshers have calls in this domain? Or if experienced also, how we will be planning up for dropping the resume? These all from the point of job or the career opportunities I will be talking here team. And then I will be talking about the Oracle's knowledge repository team. Means what? Where we can access standard Oracle documents for this technology. Anyhow, as part of the materials, we are going to provide our own custom manuals team, which we prepared. But on top of that, where you can access in the internet Oracle delivered documents for this technology, that I will introduce to you team. And also we will see Oracle certification process. Some of you asking me, Kumar, if I have to do certification, what is the process? How I have to apply? What will be the examination pattern? What is the cost? How to apply? First of all, whether certification is required or not. These all questions you people might have team. So I will talk about the Oracle certification process here team. And finally, we will be concluding the discussion with why TrioTech. So by learning the course from Kumar, what benefits you will be getting in this technology. So course duration, from when the batch is starting, these all things we will be talking here, team. So these are the agenda points that which we will be talking in today's session, team. So let me start with the very first concept for today, introduction to ERP. But much before talking about ERP, team, let me explain you this, team. First of all, for whom this course is intended for. Who can learn this course? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Who can learn this? If you come to this slide, team. If you fall in any of these criteria, team, what are they? If you are in your final year of degree, you want to learn one best high paying technology with a long lasting career, then you are eligible. If you have just completed your graduation and don't know what to do, looking for a good technology to learn, means recent passed out grads. If you want to start your career in a stable, high paid job, then you are eligible to this. It means freshers or the final year graduates, you both are eligible to learn this course. And if you want to get a high paying job, moving out of your unstable job, means what, team? People from different other domains. If you have a non-IT background, working in other domains, like as a traditional HR, you are working as a recruiter, or in a bank, you are working in some other sales or something. People from different backgrounds will be there. You want to plan your career to move to IT, then definitely you are eligible to learn this course. And if you want to get a salary of 25 to 45 lakhs per annum in next 4 to 5 years, yes, team, in this technology, people with 4 to 5 years or 6 years of experience drawing these packages in the market. So if you want to get your career with this lavish packages in the next coming 4 5 years, team, as such you will be starting your career now, then this will be the best technology to opt in your career, team. So one point I can tell here, people from any degree, any background, you can able to learn this course, team. Companies don't look at your professional degree. You are from a BTech or MCA, then only we will be recruiting. No, the best part with ERP applications, team, people from any background will be eligible. If you are knowledgeable, if you learn this technology, and if you can have a qualitative understanding on this subject, you are eligible to get the job, team. So absolutely this point, many of you having a question, Kumar, can I learn this course? The main question, team. So here, if you fall in any of these criteria, you will be eligible. Okay. And as I already told you, team, from the point of learning this also, unlike other technologies, DevOps or any other technologies, Azure or full stack, Python, unlike any of these technologies, team, we don't have any coding requirement in this technology. No coding required application, this is, team. So people who have hesitation to learn coding or understanding the languages like any PLSQL, JSON, or even SQL also, team, you can able to opt this technology, because for learning this, you don't require any add-ons or prerequisite languages to learn, team. It's a completely Oracle built application. Technology or the application is already built. Okay. You have to configure the system with the client's data according to their requirement. So that is why nothing or no coding is required to learn this, team. So these are the criterias. If you fall in any of these, team, then absolutely you are eligible to learn this course, team. Okay. Okay. So now let me move on to the very first topic for today, team, introduction to ERP. So what I mean here, team, ERP means what, team? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, team. So basically, team, this ERP is a category or a family team. Under this ERP category, different applications are available in the market. So basically, this is a business process management software that manages and integrates companies, financial, supply chain, operations, commerce, reporting, manufacturing, and human resource activities team. So an ERP application is nothing but a business process management software that manages all the business operations in the company team. It means what? See, any organization you take in the market, a well-known Indian companies you take, or any other multinational companies, Amazon, Apple, Google, Reliance, Tata, any company in the market you take team. In every organization, there will be different business processes or activities involved with team. For example, in every company, there will be a HR business area or a department. So what a HR department will be doing in any organization team? HR department is responsible for maintaining the employees in the organization, like starting from recruitment, onboarding, maintaining the employee, their leave management, their salary processings, their performance appraisals, hire to retire, everything HR department in the company will be taking care team. And in every company, finance business area or department also will be there. So all the financial related activities that people will take care. Then if it is a manufacturing company team, they have their supply chain department who is responsible from procurement of materials to finished goods team, and procurement, sales, marketing. In every organization, different business processes are involved with team. So in order to conduct all these business processes, companies require modular tech-based software application. We'll talk about from HR point of view team, because our technology is Oracle Fusion HCM, Human Capital Management Cloud, HR related software application team. For example, you take Tata Group team, Indian company. In Tata, let's say some 30,000 employees are working. In order to maintain that 30,000 employees activities team from the point of HR related, from recruitment to retiring of the employee team, do you think that companies can manually maintain that? Small companies, okay, 10 employees, 20 employees, 50 employees, if the company having small company, they can maintain all the activities manually. They can maintain in the Excel how many employees working, how many employees present today, how many absent today, at the month end, for how many employees, what salaries we have to pay. Manually, they can handle small companies with 10, 50, 100 employees maximum team. But if a company have 5,000 employees or 10,000 employees, 20,000 employees, do you think that manually they can handle all these activities? No. So they require a modular tech-based software applications team. Prior to these ERP applications, companies handled manually. But with the introduction of these ERP applications team, the entire market dynamics got changed. Now there are thousands of ERP applications available in the market at the niche level. But at the top, we have very minimal companies team like Oracle, SAP, Workday, okay, Salesforce, Pegasus. We have some of them at the higher level team. So ERP applications are nothing but team. In order to do the day-to-day business activities in the organization, companies will be using this products team exclusively for handling the HR activities in the organization team. We have our technology Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Application team. This is a HR related software application. Any company, when they buy this product from Oracle, they will be using this in their day-to-day HR operations team. Okay. So we have different ERP products, as I told. Oracle offering Oracle Fusion. Then we have SAP SuccessFactors, which is offered by SAP. Then we have Workday. Then we have Northgate, Salesforce, Pegasus. These are some of the ERP applications team. So ERP is a category or a family team. Under that ERP, different products are available offered by different company. One such product that we are learning is about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. Okay. So coming to the competition, which is better, SAP, Oracle, Workday. See, as per the matrix, if you see 2024 team, quadrant matrix, Oracle is much ahead compared to other ERP application. You take SAP, Workday, anything. Oracle is much ahead in the competition team. Across the globe, across the countries in the globe, many customers using now Oracle Fusion Cloud applications as their internal day-to-day business application team. That is the reason the openings for this domain, pay for this domain is very high in the market team. Okay. So this is about team introduction to the ERP application. Now moving to what is this Oracle Fusion application is about team. See, if anyone asks me, Kumar, how you will be describing Fusion application? So I can tell them I can best describe Fusion applications into three areas team, like they built on open standard based platform, they built on best business processes, and Fusion applications can be deployed through selection of options. So what is this built on open standard based platform team? See, to have a background team, the backend schema of the Oracle Fusion applications team built on these individual technical tools team. Oracle SOA, service oriented architecture, WebLogic server, JDeveloper, OBIEE. These all are the different individual tools available in the market team. So the Fusion applications built based upon all these technologies team, the backend. So people, anyone from core technical middleware backgrounds team, to make you understand, I have given this point team. So this is just for information team. Nowhere in the interview this question will be asked to you. Just out of the box for your information. Backend Fusion applications working on these tools team. And then this is important to know. Built on best business processes. What I mean here, team? Fusion applications built on best business processes. Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel. These all are what team? See, prior to Oracle introducing Oracle Fusion applications team, these all are the existing ERP applications available in the market team. When I'm talking, prior to 2006, even now, these technologies are available team. Okay. Prior to 2006, all these are individual ERP applications available in the market owned by different companies team. But the point here to be noted team, prior to 2006, when these applications are available team, none of the applications in the market were matured in all the business areas team. No. If you take PeopleSoft team, PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS, our HCM team. But PeopleSoft is not very good successful in financial supply chain CRM team. Then JD Edwards, if you take, JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials team. Siebel is very good at CRM, customer relationship management. Hyperion is very good at reporting. E-business suite, Oracle's own ERP product team. Prior to Fusion, Oracle's having Oracle e-business suite. So Oracle EBS is very good at financials team. But none of the applications available in the market during that time is very good at all the business was very good at all the business areas team. So what Oracle did team in 2006, again I'm telling, in 2006, Oracle with $18 billion acquisition acquired all these companies team. Anyhow, e-business suite is their own ERP application during that time. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft from PeopleSoft Corporation. Oracle acquired JD Edwards, JD Edwards World, Siebel, Hyperion. So whatever the best technologies in the market during that time, Oracle with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all these products team. And what Oracle did, Oracle taken the best knowledge from them. From PeopleSoft, they have taken HR business knowledge. From JD Edwards, they have taken procurement and financials knowledge. From Siebel CRM, from their existing e-business suite financials knowledge. And they developed a new age ERP application team. That is our Oracle Fusion applications. In 2006, Oracle acquired all these companies, and in 2011, Oracle introduced this Fusion applications into the open world. Kumar, we are in 2024 now. Fusion applications are that old applications. 13 years back, you are telling they introduced it. In 2011, officially, Oracle announced Fusion applications into the open world. They're coming up with a new age cloud-based application team. But from 2015, 2016 onwards only, the market penetration happened team. It took 4 or 5 years to make the companies accept Fusion applications team. So from 2015 end and early 2016-17 onwards only, the actual usability of the Fusion applications in the market started. So from the last 7-8 years only team, we have seen phenomenal growth in the Oracle Fusion market. Okay. So not only that team, the reason why many companies moving towards Oracle Fusion applications nowadays means Oracle came up with a product which is stable in all the business areas. Earlier, every company used to having a concern. When they purchase any application from any company, they are not very good at all the business area. But Fusion applications now matured in all the business areas. You take HCM, financials, supply chain, procurement, CRM, every business area you take team. Oracle Fusion applications now very much stable and very much matured enough team. That is the reason many companies now looking for Oracle Fusion applications in order to use in their business activities every day. One more reason why rapid adoption happening in the market, why many companies opting this product. See, Oracle already having their own application e-business suite. Oracle also acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel. All these customers, whoever using these technologies, Oracle insisting them, rather convincing them to move to Fusion application. The next future will be Oracle Fusion Cloud. So you have to move to the new applications. That is the reason team, Oracle converting all their existing customer base on e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, converting them to Fusion applications team. So that is one reason from last 2-3 years we are seeing the phenomenal growth in the customer adoption as well. Many companies opting Oracle Fusion as their in-house ERP application team. That is one reason why we have very good opportunities in this technology team. A sudden rapid increase we have seen in the usability of this application, but market is not that ready with the consultants who will be working on this technology. So that is the reason team, companies recruiting the candidates with good knowledge with high package. We don't have any HR policies coming up here. Usually what happens, team, when you switch company from one company to another company, 10%, 12%, or maximum 18% hike you will be getting as per HR policies in the organization. But in this domain, we are seeing the students or other colleagues team, people having 100%, 120% hikes also. Person who is working with 10 lakhs package, when he is switching, is getting 20, 22 lakhs package also. Why? Because the market having the requirement for this consultants team. Many companies buying this Oracle Fusion applications to use in their day-to-day HR activities team. But we don't have qualitative or quantitative wise also consultants who have good knowledge on this product in the market. We don't have that. We have a resource crunch. But whereas SAP you take, we have many people on SAP who will be working. So we are not seeing a phenomenal increase in the salary part. Recruitment is going on. But from the point of salaries, if you see team in Oracle Fusion and SAP, way par. Oracle Fusion is having very good offering, package offerings in the market team. So this is about the background or the evaluation of Oracle Fusion applications team. So that is why I kept here the point what team? Fusion applications built on best business processes. These are the best of the best during that time. They have taken the knowledge from them and they built Fusion applications team. And Fusion applications can be deployed through selection of option. What is that team? Cloud and on-premise options we have. Now there is no on-premise, completely cloud team. But 3-4 years back, we have on-premise model also. So on-premise means what team? When a company buy the Fusion applications from Oracle team, company also used to buy the server from Oracle. They have to install that server in their office premises. Everything the company have to maintain. They have to install the application into the server, the maintenance, networking, storage, security. So they used to recruit the team, system administrator, DBA specialist, security engineers, everything company used to maintain team. But on-premise being stopped team, completely now the Fusion applications offering on a cloud-based technology. What do you mean by cloud-based technology team? The reason why Oracle Fusion applications became very successful means very easy to operate team. When any company buy this product from Oracle, they don't need to buy any server. They don't need to maintain the application, maintenance, upgrading, security, data managing, everything maintained by Oracle only team. So cloud-based means a software that is hosted over the internet. Means what? If any company buy the Fusion application team, the application will be delivered just in the form of this URL. So this is Fusion applications team. This is Fusion applications team. You no need to install the application anywhere in the laptop or in your PC. Nothing. Just in the form of web link. How we will access our Facebook or Gmail? We will go to Google. We will type Facebook or Gmail. Then once you click on enter, user ID, password, it will ask. In the same way, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications also purely on a cloud-based technology in the form of this web link or the URL. This is application team. If I pass that in any of my browsers, just see now, I'm just entering it team. See, I will be entering into the applications team. My passwords are auto saved in my laptop. That is why directly it logged in team. But usually this will prompt to this screen. When you pass the URL, this will prompt to this screen. See, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. So you have to pass your user ID and password. And if you click on sign in, you will be able to log in. This is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. This is what? So a seamless usability team, nothing to be maintained, cloud-based software that is hosted over the internet. So that is also one of the option we have team. So this is about team, what is Fusion applications and evaluation path of the Fusion applications team. Now, by this time, we understood what is ERP, what are the different products we have under ERP, and what is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application. For what purpose companies will be using this, I told you by this time. And also we understood Fusion applications evaluation. So how it got evolved over that time. Now team, moving on to types of companies involved. What is this team? Again, this is for purely freshers and non-IT people team, whoever not in IT. Just 2 minutes we will discuss on this. What is this team? Types of companies means any software in the market you take. It's not about Oracle Fusion applications team. Any product in the market you take team. Typically, in the usability of that application team, three companies will be involved. First, service provider means what team? Who is selling the product? Now we are learning about Oracle Fusion applications team. So Oracle Fusion applications, who will be owning team? Oracle product, that is. So service provider company or a vendor company we can call. Nothing but team who is selling the product. For example, team Oracle India Private Limited is there. So these Fusion applications are Oracle's product and Oracle will be selling the product in the market team. He is the manufacturer or seller. Okay. Then we have client or the customer company. Here and there, from last 10 minutes also I'm using frequently client, customer team. Client or customer team means who? Company who purchasing this product from Oracle in order to use in their day-to-day HR activities team. For example, Reliance Industries, Virgin Mobiles, L&T. Let's say team, we all know our Reliance Industry, correct? Very famous Indian MNC, right? Now let's assume team, Reliance Industry bought the product from Oracle. Now Reliance want to use Oracle Fusion HCM in their day-to-day HR operations team. So Reliance is the client or the customer who using the product team. So Reliance company we will call as client company or the customer who using the product team. Okay. Now Reliance approached Oracle and Oracle sold the product to Reliance. Is Reliance an IT company? No. Reliance is into different industries, automobiles, manufacturing, food and beverages, lifestyle, different team. Now Reliance bought the product from Oracle, but Reliance wants someone who can implement the application or configure the application according to their business requirement team. Because when Reliance buy the product from Oracle, they will get the blank product with all the features team. So Reliance company want someone who will configure the data of them according to their requirement team so that they can start using in their day-to-day HR activity. So what the Reliance company will do, Reliance will reach out to consulting companies in the market. So here our companies will come. Consulting companies are nothing but so-called software or IT companies in the market team. Companies who implement the product is called as consulting company. Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, Infosys, Wipro, whatnot. All IT companies team. Now Reliance Industries bought the product from Oracle and Reliance given the project to Deloitte. So now Deloitte going to implement the Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications for Reliance Industries team. So once you learn the technology, you will be working here in these software companies as a Oracle Fusion HCM consultant team. So when our company gets the project from the client or the customer company, we will be working on their product configuration team. This training for the next 3 months, what I'm going to train you will be that only. End to end implementation training team. Means when you are in the project, once you get the project team, the blank product will be coming from Oracle when the client purchased. So we have to take the requirement from the client, each module, how they want to use the application. We are going to implement that team, configure that according to the client requirement team. So this is the place where majority of the time we will be recruited team. Sometimes directly the client companies also recruit the candidates team, because every company build their internal IT team also, because every time they can't rely upon consulting companies, right? So sometimes direct client or the customers also will recruit the candidates team. So either here or here you will be working on team. Maximum time you will be recruited in the consulting company. Now, some of you might get a question. Kumar, what type of companies recruiting this technology? Every company I can tell, from top MNCs to the basics startups or the mid-level companies, in all the IT companies in the market team on this technology, they will be having the projects. So there is nothing like that. Only we have to concentrate on MNCs only. In small companies, these implementations won't happen. No, from startup to mid-level MNC, in every IT company, Deloitte, TechM, Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture, Infosys, Wipro, any company you take on Oracle Fusion applications, they do projects. So the requirements will be there in those companies' team. So this is about types of companies involved in any of the product utilization team. Kumar, here you kept Oracle India / these consulting companies, Deloitte, Accenture, Tech Mahindra, IBM. Why? Sometimes team, what happens, see, the world is very big. We have many countries, correct? 90 plus countries we have. Oracle alone cannot sell their product to all the customers, right team? For example, you take Apple is there. Apple is the manufacturer of iPhone. So Apple alone can sell their iPhones across the world. They can't do. They can't set up the distribution channel across the world, right? So what Apple will do? They will give their products to all the sellers in the market, in Big C, in Bajaj Electronics, Lot Mobiles, right? You can purchase your iPhone directly in the Apple store or in the other Lot or Chroma or some other also, right or wrong? Similarly, team, Oracle also cannot sell their product across the globe for all countries. They can't do their selling for all the countries, team. So Oracle also give partnership for IT companies also, who exclusively doing their product implementations to the client. Oracle will be giving gold partnership, platinum partnership, silver partnership, like that team. That is not required to you at this moment, but just out of the box information I'm sharing, team. Sometimes on behalf of Oracle, these consulting companies also will sell the product and implement to the client team. That is also possible in the market. Every time client no need to reach Oracle alone to buy the product team. So these are the types of companies involved in the market team. Now let me move on to Oracle Fusion environment releases team. I will go to the Excel and we will spend some time here, team. Please focus very important things before you start the actual training team. So I was telling you, Oracle introduced their Fusion applications in the year 2011, correct? So in 2011, when Oracle introduced the application team, what is the version they came up, team? R1. R1. Okay. The version they came up in 2011 when they introduced the Fusion application is R1 team. Since then, it got evolved. Okay. Now, the latest version of the Fusion applications is R13 team. So when it got introduced team, it was R1, release 1. Then it got evolved, the versionings. And now the latest version of the Fusion application team is release 13. See, actually, by 2017 only, end and early 2018 team, 2017 and 18 only, we reached R13 version team. But since then, there is no change in the release versions team. Oracle made R13 as a static version. Take this as granted. Okay. Oracle made R13 as a static version in the Fusion applications team. There will be no change after R13 team. From R1 to R9 and R10. Okay. From R1 to R9 and R10. During this time, people who purchased the product team, Oracle offered their product both on-premise and cloud options team during that time. But now, people who purchased the Fusion applications from R10 completely only on a cloud-based technology team. So if anyone, when you're attending the interview, in which version of the Fusion application you start your career, tell that you work from R13 onwards. Because from by 17 only we reached R13. So if you are keeping any experience, feeling or something, 3-4 years also, no problem. You can tell from R13 I'm working. So to have a background team from release 1 to release 10, both in on-premise and cloud, Oracle offered their applications team. From R10 onwards team, completely Fusion applications offering only on a cloud-based technology team. We don't have other option. Then what Oracle doing team? See, Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. This is very important point team. What is that? Quarterly upgradation policy. When you are attending the interviews team, this upgrade related questions also you can expect. So very important to know before we starting the actual program team. So Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. What I mean by quarterly upgradation, see, any software application you take team, they will have upgradations. Like as I told, even our mobile in the hand, what we are using, Android or Apple, whatever it is still, our softwares will upgrade on a timely manner. Android 7.1 to 8.2 or 9.1 to 10.1, even iOS also 10.2 to 11.3, something like that on a timely manner. Software upgrades you will be getting, right? What happens team every time when the softwares are getting upgraded? Some new enhancements in the mobile you can experience, some new features they will be bringing in, some existing old unused features they will be disabling or removing team, and any bug fixes are there, fixes will be coming up team. Same in Fusion applications also team, but here Oracle time frame will be quarterly. In a year, how many quarters we have team? Every 3 months we will call as a quarter team. So in a year we have 4 quarters team. So each year 4 times Oracle will provide upgradation to their application team. Because team, Oracle is a global company. I mean, they will be having their product utilization across the globe. Many customers from different countries using their application team. So to give a more seamless experience to them without any issues or anything team, Oracle putting lot of efforts in their research and development. So on a timely manner, they are improvising their application features team. So every time they are bringing up some new enhancements, new features in the system, some existing old features they will be removing, whatever are unused. Any bugs are found in the system, that fixing, these all will happen in every upgrade team. So Oracle following quarterly upgradation policy. Each year we have 4 quarters team. So if you have that team, Jan to March is 1 quarter, April to June is 1 quarter, July to September is 1 quarter, October to December is 1 quarter. So these are the 4 quarters we have team. So Oracle designated each quarter as alphabetical order A, B, C, and D. Each quarter, Oracle designated as English alphabets as A, B, C, D team. And in each year, 4 times the application will be upgraded. Okay. And every time, what is the versioning sequence they will go team? Let me take up the latest version as of today. We are on 30th September team. Almost we are end of the third quarter this year. Let me check out team. Already I signed in. So in order to check out team, in tomorrow's class, I will tell you introduction to the application, look and feel, what are all these features and all team. So let me go to right side settings and action. Here I have about this application team. So if you want to check out what is the latest version of this application team, if you go here, you can check out team. So what is the version it is showing up? 24C and some 11.13 point is coming team. Kumar, you told R13, no? Now the Fusion application. Yes, R13 only. See, application development framework, REL 13, middleware extension, REL 13, then database compatibility, REL 13. The latest version of the Fusion applications team, release 13.24C. What is that team? Release 13.24C. This is the latest version, current as of today, the version team. You will be also trained on these versions only. Okay, we are not going to train you on the old versions. The latest ongoing versioning only, it will be trained, you will be trained team. So this is the latest version team. R13.24C. What is this 24C? Let us try to debug team. See, we are in 2024. The current year is team. So 24 stands for 2024. C means what team? We are in third quarter upgrade this year because July, August, September. Next month, we are going to upgrade team. That will be 24D. So Oracle Oracle following the naming pattern like this team. So in this year, the starting release was 24A, then 24B, then 24C. Now, next quarter, next month, in our training period only, next month, we will be experiencing team. From 24C to 24D application will evolve. Then next year, 4 quarterly upgrades, no? The naming like this, 25A, 25B, 25C, and 25D. Like that team. Last year it was 23D, 23C, 23B, and 23A. Quarterly upgradation policy. Every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade the application team. When they upgrading, this is the sequence they will follow. In each year, 4 upgrades, A, B, C, D. 2024 A, B, C, D. Now we are in this upgrade team, 24C upgrade, latest one. Then Kumar, what is this 11.13.24.07 means? 11 stands for 2011, the year which Oracle introduced the applications team. 13 stands for release 13, the versioning R13 team. 24 stands for the current year, 2024. 7 stands for, we are in third quarterly upgrade now, 24C. In third quarter, first month, July, is what team? July means what team? 7. So 07 will take like that. Next month, when we are going to have the 24D, the version will come like this. If anyone want, you can have a picture of this and you can cross verify. 24D 11.13.24.10, because October stands every time. This last second sequencing will be team in the quarterly upgrade first month number. October means 10, 10th month. So 10.0. 0 is common for everything team. So like this team, Oracle will be following their environment releases pattern. So every time, every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading the application team, we will be experiencing some new enhancements in the system. Now, some of you might get a question. Kumar, every time if some new enhancements are coming, any impact to the existing functionalities that we configure? Phenomenal changes we won't expect in. Here and there, some basic functionalities only. So whatever the configurations that we are doing all the way around, they won't get impacted, team. And in real-time projects, when we are working, every 3 months, when the application is getting upgraded, team, certain activities we will be doing, team, like we call them as upgradation testings. We call them as regression testings, sanitary checks, and during this time, we will prepare impact analysis document, team, with all new features what Oracle bringing in this release in each module. We will prepare a document. We will explain to the client, and if any new functionalities client want to use, we will implement that. Certain activities are involved with, team, but in our workshop session on implementation project and support project, team, we will be conducting from the point of placements, team, because some of you might be showcasing some experiences and you are trying for the job, right? So making you clear what we will do in implementation project, what we will do in support project. During that time in the workshop sessions, team, I will be explaining about this upgradation activities, because a definite question you can expect in the interview, 5-star marked question. What you will do during the quarterly upgrades? Can you please elaborate the activities? Like that, you might get a question, team. So that we will be covering in our workshop session, team. At this moment, in the initial demo, I want to make you clear how Oracle upgrading on a timely manner their application. When they are upgrading, what is the versioning pattern they are following, team. Till this extent, I want you people to be clear. Next, team, I will be talking about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Application modules, team. So what are the modules we have in this technology, and what comes under functional, what comes under technical? What we are going to cover as part of this training program? Let us understand that, team. Okay. So Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. This is what we are going to learn. Now, in this technology, team, what are the total modules we have in the system? Okay. So I request everyone, team, please fill the form. Our admin team reaching out to you. If you are already, contacted to us earlier, fair enough, no problem. But people who directly joined today's demo or after the class to reach out to you for enrollment, team, I request everyone, please fill out the Google form so that only we can reach out to your team. From tomorrow, we are starting the regular classes, team. In order to share the meeting link or in order to share the enrollment details and all, we require your details, team. So I request everyone parallelly, you can please fill the form. Okay. Now, team, and one more request, as today is a demo, slightly we will be extending for more 15 minutes, team, because we have planned for certain initial discussion. So from tomorrow, we will be strictly concluding by 7 to 8 only. Okay. So I request everyone, please be on the call for next 15 minutes so that we can see what are the modules we have in this domain, what are the types of roles we have, and what will be this program details and all, team. Okay. Now, coming to Fusion HCM Cloud Application, team, we have the modules like Core HR or Global HR, team. We call them as, this is one module we have. Then we have absence management. Then we have payroll. Okay. Payroll management. Then we have talent management team. Talent management team. See, this understanding is very much needed, team. If you got carried away here, you won't understand what we are offering also. So please do focus here. Goals. In talent management, we have again, team, goals management, performance management, succession management, like that. Couple of submodules we have, team, profiles, like that. This all comes under talent management, team. And then we have, team, compensation and benefits. Actually, these two are two different modules, team, but usually we call them as together, compensation and benefits. And then we have OTL, Oracle time and labor. And we have team, some advanced modules came recently. They are OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then we have something like Help Desk and Safety. And we have something like HCM Communicate. Okay, Communicate. So like this team, we have the total modules in the system team. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation. Okay. Okay. Benefits, OTL, OLC, ORC, everything team. Right. Some of you been chatting. Krishna will be confirming at the end of the class. The course price, what is the early bird offer, everything you will be mentioned. Next 10 minutes. Let me complete this. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, welcome. So team, these are the total modules we have in this technology team. A part of this, we have some additional concepts as well. What are they? We have something like security administration. We have something like workflows and approvals management. Okay. And we have something like sandbox. Okay. Nothing but customization team. And we have many components in that sandbox customization. And then team, we have something like inbound integrations. Here we have HDL, HCM data loader, spreadsheet data loader like SDL. We have inbound like this. And we have outbound integrations team. Outbound integrations team. And here we have BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extracts, this team. And a part of this team, we have something like fast formulas. Okay, fast formulas. So a part of these core modules, we have these concepts in the system team. Now, Kumar, what comes under functional? What comes under technical? These all modules comes under functional team. Okay. All modules in the system comes under functional team. And these concepts will come under technical side of the application. Okay. This is what functional and technical team. Actually, security workflow sandbox, if you ask me, I can say that partially they are functional also. But as part of trainings, not only me, across any institute, if you take, these concepts usually covered as part of technical team. But if you ask me, functional consultant can able to handle these things in real time. That's okay. But these are the functional and technical concepts in the system team. So we have different modules team. What is what we will see in the upcoming sessions. Core HR in this module, what we are going to do. In absence module, what we are going to do. Or in payroll, what we are going to do. So we have different areas team. Like in core HR, we will be talking about the client organizations configuration, entire employee management team from hiring, they maintaining the employee, they transfer, promotes, demotes, then terminations, resignation, hire to retire will be handled in core HR or global HR module team. Then in every organization, we have leaves concept. If you are working in any organization, you people also should know. You will be provided with different leaves every year, annual leave, casual leave, sick leave, maternity leave. So in absence management module, we are going to see that leave management in the system team, different types of leaves that providing to the employees, that all we will configure here. Payroll means salary team. Every month, whatever that we are doing for the month, company will pay salary. So in payroll management, we are going to see how to configure all the salary components, how to attach to employee, how to run the payroll, how companies will pay salary. That all we will talk here, team. Then every year, performance appraisals will be there for the employees. That we will see in the talent management module team. Then a part of salaries team, if any compensation you want to pay to the employee, something like you want to share some, you want to allocate some shares to your employee, some bonus you want to pay to the employee. These are all things you will handle in compensation module team. Or if any insurance plans employee to be enrolled with, then benefits module we have team. Then OTL we have Oracle time and labor. Like in every organization, employee time recording is mandatory. When he come in, when he goes out, punch in, punch out, swipe in, swipe out, time sheets. Entire employee time management will be handled in OTL module team, time and labor module. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Nowadays, any organization, if you say take team, when you are onboarding in the company is asking you to complete some mandatory trainings about their policies, about their ethical practices, about their organization rules and all. They are giving some videos and they are asking you to complete during onboarding, and they will conduct some exams also to understand your confirmation on all the details and all team. So usually team, it's a learning portal team. Within the Fusion application, Oracle given a module called Oracle Learning Cloud. Let's say organization want to conduct some trainings to their employees, some video courses, live courses. They have to conduct some exams. They have to issue some certificates to their employees. This OLC module will be there in the system to address that team. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Means team, usually in organization, how the hiring will happen team. First of all, business people will identify the need of the person who need of the employees team. Then they will share that to HR team. HR people will do the job postings in different job portals like Naukri, LinkedIn, Monster, collect the resumes from that, scheduling the interview, conducting the interview, then releasing the offer letter, onboarding the employee. These all things will be handled in ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud Module team. Then help desk, safety and communicate. These are internal ticketing tools in the system. Means in an organization, if anything that client want, company is telling my employees, if they have any issues, they have to report IT related thing, they have to report to IT staff. Anything related to projects, they have to report to projects team, or anything related to office premises, they have to reach out to admin team. So internal issue team, communication channel within the organization between the employees. If you want to set up help desk and communicate, we have in the system team. Then if you come to technical side, security administration, here we will be seeing team, user account creation, access management and all. It means when employee hired team in the system, for every employee, the application access to be given, the HR portal access team, correct? So how the access management will work, how the user accounts will get created, that all will handle in security administration team. Then in every module team, we have the approvals concept. For example, today one of my employee applied the leave. It should go for concerned manager for approval. Or today one of the employees submitted the resignation. It should go for concerned HR for approval. So every transaction in the modules team, we can trigger for an approval to the concerned hierarchy. That we will be talking in workflows and approvals module team. Then sandbox customization. See, when you buy the product from Oracle team, the product will come with this look and feel features team. Let's say my client is telling Kumar, here I don't want Oracle, I want my logo, Reliance Industries. The background theme, I don't want in blue color, I want in white color. Or these naming conventions icons should be changed. Or within every page also team, some sort of customizations if my client asking. Then in this sandbox module, we are going to do that customizations to the application team. Then we have inbound integrations and outbound integrations team. What are these team? Inbound means any data outside the Fusion system that you want to bulk upload. We have inbound team. Means what team? When we go for the implementation, let's say now Reliance bought the product from Oracle team. It given project to Deloitte, I told you. Now from Deloitte, we working on the implementation. Prior to Oracle Fusion, Reliance might be using SAP, PeopleSoft, some other team. Let's say 50,000 employees data is there in their old system. So when we are in the implementation team, we have to migrate that data from their legacy system to Fusion team. So any data from outside, you are going to inbound into the Fusion system, bulk uploading if you want to do team. Oracle given two data migration tools, HCM data loader, HDL, spreadsheet data loader team. So we have these two bulk data migration tools available team that are part of inbound integration we will call. Then team, now we configured the system, we hand over to the client. They started using in their day-to-day life. So business require several reports to fetch in the system team. Let's say today my client asking, Kumar, I want to get the report in the month of September, how many new employees I hired in so-called location. Or in this month of September, how many employees applied annual leave. So from different modules, different type of reports my client might require to fetch team. Outbound means any data from the system if you are outbounding, extracting. So Oracle given three data extraction tools: BI report, OTBI reports, HCM extract reports team. So here we have three reports team. Then we have a concept called fast formula. Fast formula will be used in absence, payroll, talent, compensation, OTL across different modules team for different calculations, different validations to implement. Fast formula concept will be used at team. So these are the total concepts we have in HCM cloud applications team. Now coming to the prerequisite. Kumar, any prior languages that we should be learning? Absolutely not required anything team. But in this BIP reports team, only in this area, you require SQL understanding team. Because BIP reports you will be building based on the SQL query. You have to write a query, extract the data from the tables, and you have to execute the report. Only in this part team. In fast formula also you don't require. You can handle that without team. But in BIP reports team, you require the SQL knowledge. How Kumar, then I don't know SQL. Okay, do I want to, I mean, are you telling that I have to learn this prior to learning HCM cloud? No, not required. See, one reality you have to be in. What is that? None of the consultants working in the market, in the company's team, will have knowledge in all the areas. No one will have the knowledge team. Certain things from functional, certain from technical, you have to learn. So if you are not comfortable with SQL, we will not keep this in our profile. As simple as that team. It's not mandatory thing to keep BA reports in the profile team. So a part of that remaining things we will keep in the resume. So only at this point we require SQL team. Remaining nowhere we require any prerequisite to learn this team. Now, how is the market, Kumar? Whether I have to drop as a functional consultant or a technical consultant. See, till today, market recruiting the candidates like Oracle HCM functional consultant and also technical consultant team separately. But again, one more reality you have to be team. Companies are very keen taking the candidates who is good at both the sides. Techno-functional consultants. Simple team, rather than taking two people, functional and technical, if a person knows both, if I take that person, obviously that is an added advantage to the company, no? If a person handling both the things, that is an advantage to the company rather than taking two people team. So now the market is very keen at techno-functional consultant. So this program that we designed also for techno-functional team. Earlier we used to offer functional alone, but we included technical also along with functional. The reason behind that is slowly market interests, company interests are moving towards techno-functional. And one more thing I will tell you. Still, if you want to drop as a only functional and only technical also, okay. There are recruitments happening on this also team. But again, only technical, I don't suggest a team. only core technical are these components team in the system. Security, workflows or sandbox also partially comes under functional only. But these only two concepts comes under core technical. Only technical if you drop within Fusion, you might not expect good number of calls team. Because in a project in real time, let's suppose team, if 10 resources are working team, out of that 7 to 8 resources will be functional. Okay. Only two resources or one or two will be only, or two or three only will be team, technical resources team in real time projects also. Functional will have very good scope. Technical equally have the scope, but in any project, the limited requirement will be their team. 10 people if working means 7 to 8 will be functional. One or two to three will be technical team. So that is why my suggestion also to the students will be go with techno-functional. This is the market requirement currently team. When you are learning technical, SQL, if you don't know, ignore BIP. Even then you can drop as a techno-functional because you are learning these all components and you are keeping in the resume. Even OTBI, even extracts also you can build in, right? So these are the job profiles that recruitment happening team in the market. Now coming to our program team, what we are going to cover as part of this training. We are going to cover from the functional point of view, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and compensation team. Okay, benefits will not be covered, compensation. These five, whatever I am bolding here, you can able to understand here team easily. So 5 modules from the functional will be covered, and from the technical point of view, these all components from the technical will be covered team along with the functional like security, workflows, sandbox, inbound integration, outbound integration, fast formula, these all team. So this is about our course program team. So 5 modules from functional and technical, we will be having these things team. Now coming to the program details team, how many days the program is going to be, what sort of support that you are going to get here team. See, basically, the program will be for 3 months duration team. 90 plus hours of duration it will be total. End-to-end implementation training you will be getting team. And every day, Monday to Friday, morning 7 to 8 a.m. IST, you will be having the timings. So as I told you, today we have a slight extension. Sorry for that. But from tomorrow, it will be strictly followed 7 to 8. And along with this course team, you will be getting lifetime access to the video recordings. Like when I say video recordings team, today after the enrollment, every one of you will be creating the accounts for our portal team. Like when you go to TrioTechSoftwareTrainings.com, you will have here team, live classes login. When you log in here, you will have your user ID and password to provide. See, please sign in. Scroll down the page. You have to pass your account details team and log in. You will be entering into your dashboard team here. So here you will have enrolled courses. So you can able to find your course here team. Okay. And everyday sessions will get uploaded here. Once you get into your course, all the course sessions every day. It's a password protected. For the enrolled participants, our LMS portal access account will be created today and it will be given to your team. So this will be comfortably used in laptops or even in the mobiles also to watch the session recordings team. And this portal access will be for lifetime. Once you get the access, if you want to reset the password, you can reset to your account team. So along with the live training, you will be getting lifetime access to the video recordings. And along with that team, you will be provided with the latest Fusion application server access. So we are going to provide you both private and public cloud. So the best part here with TrioTech team, public cloud everywhere you will get. Means what? Demo instances team. Every 3 days, every 5 days, Oracle will refresh the applications. So every time whenever you are configuring something, after 5 days or 1 week, the data will get refreshed team. But along with that, we provide our own private server team. It means for the entire 5 months period, the application will be stable. Whatever you configured in the system, it will be available team. One full life cycle of project implementation you can do in the system. So 5 months of private and public server access will be given to you as part of the training program team. And for every module, we are going to provide you custom user manuals with step by step. Like if you come here team, after the enrollment, everyone will be provided with this drive, materials drive team. So all the modules you can see: absence, compensation, core HR, payroll, then sandbox, security, talent, fast formula, outbound integration, inbound integration. For every module you can find team. So when you go to your module here, you can see all the materials team. So I'll show you one of the sample material here, how it looks like. This is for core HR module team, 130-page document. Custom manual, what all the topics we have with explanation, what I am going to start from tomorrow. Every day class recorded in the PDF team like this. An explanation with step-by-step navigation team, how to configure that setup. Because sometimes you don't have the time to follow the recordings team. If you want to refer something, if you follow this material PDF also, it will be sufficient. Step-by-step manual team. So it will be provided to you as part of the materials team. And for every module, we do provide assignments as well. If you go here team, so we'll provide the assignments team. We'll give you the requirement. Let's say this is the absence module requirement team for assignment. Okay. See all the real-time assignments that whatever we have been gone through in our experiences team, we consolidated them and we provided as part of the assignments team. Like this, we'll give the requirement and we will ask you to configure in the system team. So for every module, you will be getting the hands-on project assignments as well team. You can able to configure it and you can submit back to us. We can evaluate that. And also, we will be providing you with the placement point of view team. We will be providing you with resume preparations team. Like we will provide the sample resumes to you, considering freshers, experienced, everything. And I'm going to take a session as well, how to build the resume. Fresher means how to do, experienced, if you are feeling any gap in between, how to keep the projects, how the resume format should be. I'm going to take a workshop session in the placement activities team, from starting building the resume and making yourself comfortable to prepare the resume, and also how to apply for the jobs in different job portals, how to create Naukri, LinkedIn accounts, how to reach out to the HR recruiters, how to build the connections. A part of the training on the subject team, on the job hunting technique side, we do provide that team. So sample resumes also will be shared to you and the sessions will be conducted on that. And along with that team, we will be providing the interview question and answers as well for every module. If you go here team, interview questions folder, for all modules team, scenario based, real time. These we have consolidated from the experiences of our students only team, real time scenario questions faced by students. So we will be having with questions and answers team, everything. So this repository also you will be getting. If you prepare this entire interview question and answers team, 70% of your interview questions will be coming from this only. 20-30%, obviously it will be differ from panel to panel. Out of the knowledge that what you get for these in these 3 months, you can able to answer that team. And also we do conduct some workshops on implementation and project support projects team. So during that time, I'm going to explain you what is OEM methodology, like from starting kickoff meeting to till go live. What are the different project phases we have? In each phase, what we will do, what type of documents we will prepare and we will hand over to the client. Business requirement gathering template means what? Solution designing means what? CRP1, CRP2 documents are what? Or user manuals, then go live. Every phase we will be explaining during that time. And these are the documents team, real-time documents. This is solution designing document. This is business requirement questionnaire document team. So like that, we will be also supporting all these materials team. And we will be providing one-to-one doubt assistance as well. we have a dedicated WhatsApp channel where you can able to post your questions to our team members team. Okay. And also, usually every Saturday, we will be conducting the mock interviews team for the batch who completed. They will be reaching out for the mocks. So every Saturday, we will be conducting from morning 11 a.m. to 2 o'clock team. Maximum time I will be available. If not, the other panel will be also available team. Like the working professionals, some of them who are my colleagues, they will be taking the mocks team. So by attending that, you will understand what is the real-time requirement, how the real-time interviews will happen team. That also will be conducted usually every Saturday. So once the course completes, the placement activity started team, you can even attend for the mock interviews as well. And from our side, we do share the referrals team because every month companies will be reaching out to us for the trained profiles. So when it comes to companies team, we have startup, mid-level to top MNCs. The HRs will be approaching to me every month. Kumar, any trained freshers we have or 3 to 4 years trained people are there. So we will be also sharing the requirements in your WhatsApp group and we will be sharing it as a status as team. You can apply for them on behalf of TrioTech. So these are the course features and the placement assistance that what we are going to provide team. So this is going to be a 3 months end-to-end practical training team. And coming to some of the placement activity proofs, if you see team from the recent batches or past batches team, we have seen very good number of people getting placed every month team. So these are some of the student feedbacks that who replied to me with a expression of gratitude after their job placements team. So you can see, just walk through, just for your reference, I'm sharing this team. And these are some of the Google feedbacks which you can see from our recent completed batches also team. Okay. And I can say that in the month of August and September, we have 23 students placed across different companies team. So these are some of the placement proofs that which I want to share with you in the companies that are students getting placed here and here. And even you can do follow us in our Instagram and YouTube channel to find out more placement related activities and also the any kind of updates respective to the courses and all team. Like this, we will be sharing the requirements team. After the enrollment today, you will be added into the WhatsApp community team. So any communication that I have to do with you regarding the class or any materials, interview questions, or job referrals, we will be posting in that group team. You have to be very active in the WhatsApp community after the enrollment. In the new group, we will be adding up team. So these are the things that which I planned team. We have two more things to discuss: Oracle Knowledge Repository and Certification Process team. I will take up in tomorrow's session team. So today we planned for a demo. From tomorrow, we are starting the regular classes team. So people who are interested, I request everyone, please do reach out today. Many of you already have our WhatsApp number and support numbers team. Please do reach out today to get your enrollment done. From tomorrow, we will be sharing the new Zoom meeting link only for the enrolled participants. And once the enrollment completed today, you will be shared with the portal access team, our learning portal access, and also Fusion application access, and also the materials. And you people will be added into WhatsApp group as well for September 2024 batch. So this will be done today team. And coming to the course fee, as someone asking me in the chat board, many of you already know. Basically team, the course fee will be 25,000 team for the 3 months duration with all the support that we are providing. But every batch we have an early bird offer team. Usually for day one enrolled participants, only for today, we will be offering it at 22,999 team. So this is the early bird offer valid for today. Along with that, some add-ons also you will be getting team worth rupees 6,000 additional private server access. Usually anywhere getting a private server access will be very difficult team. But in TrioTech, you will be getting 5 months in the course. But in this early bird who is getting enrolled team, 2 more months of additional server access worth 6,000 you will be getting. It means Now, total server access will become 7 months to your team, that too private server. Along with that, I'm going to provide you ready-made project HDL templates team. When it comes to the inbound integration part here, we have HDL, right? Ready-made templates inbuilt so that you can directly use in your projects team. That templates we are going to provide you, and also real-time project fast formula templates. Here I'm saying there is something called fast formula. So from absence, from payroll modules team, whatever that we worked on in our prior projects, that we have consolidated team, ready-made fast formulas team. A requirement, for that requirement, what is the formula we have to use in the system? That fast formula template also I'm going to provide you. So this will be valid only for today team. From tomorrow, regular classes are going to be starting. So I request everyone who yet to fill the form, please fill the form team so that our team will be reaching out to the WhatsApp today. So majorly we will be communicating through WhatsApp only. Today you will be getting the WhatsApp messages for the enrollment team. So please do confirm so that from tomorrow we will be starting the batch team. Now before closing the session and moving to Q&A, I want to tell you something team. From the point of particularly freshers, how the calls in the market team. See, again, if you ever said in any of these things, how to get a job in software industry without any coding knowledge, or I'm having no prior experiences, long career gap I have in my uh, life. Let's say you completed your graduation in 2010, 15, 14, like that team. Now you are planning to start your employment due to some issues. You have been not working anywhere long term. Now you are planning to move. Am I eligible to take this opportunity? Okay. So you have many things, team. I'm not from IT background. I don't know what will I able to do this. I don't feel confident whether I could able to learn this course. How the demo happened today? The entire training will be taken on the same pace, that I can be assuring you, team. Anyone from any background, if you don't know any prior experiences or any IT related experiences also, team, just you can come with a blank mind. We are going to train you. I am going to take this course from the very basics fundamentals onwards, team. No knowledge of any prior IT things, even fine. What is this technology onwards? We are starting, team. From very basics to the complex level, we are going to take through. So you don't need to worry about anything, team. As I told, freshers or non-IT people or anyone with gap or anyone from already working in IT now planning to switch their technology and want to learn this, everyone, you should have your plan to start the program, team. So what is convenient to you? I will be talking up one-on-one. After the class, you can reach out to me over the call. Or if you are from Hyderabad, please feel free to walk into the office, team. We are based out in Hyderabad only, in KPHB near Forum Mall. I will be available in the office every day from 11 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock. Anyone from the point of career things or anything you want to have a discussion, today you can reach out to me, team. And also, even in the due course of time, when you are preparing or when you are learning, if you have any doubts also, team, you can come to the office. Or if you are comfortable to visit the office every day, come to the office, sit in the office, and you can practice. Other colleagues also will be coming, team. So you can have the discussion with them and all. And coming to the freshers team, companies do recruit freshers in this technology. We have seen in the last couple of months, team, Avalon Software, DriveStream, then Clover Infotech, B-Trians. These are the companies, team, from Hyderabad and Chennai, and Apps Associate been reached out to us for the trained freshers, and they've been offered with 4.5 to 6 lakhs, like that also, team, depends upon their performance in the interview. So freshers do have the calls in this domain. And one more point people will have is, Kumar, what about the recession impact? Do we have any recession impact in this technology? Okay, 100% from my past experience from last 10-15 years, I'm seeing, team. I'm not talking about only Oracle. Any ERP application you take, we don't see any recession impact on this, team. Even now, people are worrying across the IT that recession is there, no jobs, no interviews are getting scheduled. We have never seen that type of situation, team. Even today, our candidates dropping their profiles in the Naukri and they're getting very good calls. Recession impact for these ERP technologies are very minimal. Why? Because, team, these are the technologies companies using for their day-to-day business activities, team. Right or wrong? They're using this for their day-to-day business activities. If they don't use this application, they cannot run their business, right? So that is the reason, team, whatever comes, whatever the inflation rise, whatever the recession comes in, team, using of these ERP products in the organization will never be down. So you don't need to have any that type of worry that something like recession comes, our jobs will in this domain, no, team. Until unless you have not proven you are not worth enough, you are not proven enough in the project, team, you will be in the bench, or else you don't have a situation like you will be removed as part of this recession issues, or no projects in the company, you will be on the bench. No, these Oracle applications are very successful ERP suite in the market. Many companies nowadays doing projects in this team. Good number of opportunities we are seeing with good number of packages as well. The only thing is right planning is needed. Once we learn how to prepare the resume, what to keep, how we are showcasing our experience. If it is fresher means how we are upskilling, how we are explaining confidently about the concepts. We have to plan in a right approach, that's all, team. For that, you can able to discuss with our team, or I will be also available, team. You can able to reach out to us. So I request everyone, please do confirm the enrollments today so that from tomorrow we can start with our regular classes, team. So this will be the early board offer valid only for today. From tomorrow, it's going to be 25,000, team. But again, only first 2 days we will be taking up the enrollments, team. Okay. So that's all for today. Now I'm unmuting everyone, team. If you have any question and answers, the panel is open for Q&A. Before that, let me just answer the questions in the chat board, team. Kiran, I will visit office around 11 a.m. Sure, Kiran, you can come. There are some from long. See, Gaurav, if you are from not Hyderabad, see, we have participants joining today from US, Canada, Middle East also. For them, Zoom support will be there every time, WhatsApp or Zoom. You can reach out to me in that.
Thanks,
And
Kumar. Thank you.
yeah, and Naresh, what is the question, Naresh? No reply. What is the question, Naresh, you are having? I have not seen any. Okay, Oracle is 24/7 support. See, basically, in real-time companies, Naresh, how the profile will be there means, if you are in an implementation project, let's say, you might be working based upon the client timings. If it is an Indian client or Asian client, you'll be working in day shift. If it is UK client, you will be working in afternoon shift, because for UK and here we have 5.5 hours time difference. If a US client you are working, you might be working for night shift. If it is support projects, the same thing, rotational you might be working up. So you have different shifts. It not necessarily fixed thing. It depends upon the project in the company you are working, shifts will be there. Okay. And team, anyone have any questions in today's topic or any other things that you can please feel free to ask me, team. Please unmute and you can ask me.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, now
This is
voice.
Shakti.
Yeah, Shakti, please.
Sir, I have couple of questions. So, the upcoming classes will be a pre-recorded one, or is it going to
No,
be a live
live,
class?
live. From tomorrow
Okay.
it will be live.
Oh, all right. Thank you. And then secondly, would like to understand. So you've jotted down the five functional modules along with some of the technical items, right? So,
Correct.
will we get knowledge in all the modules for the course? I mean, all the knowledge, or
Equal
is it
knowledge
the
you will get.
choice? Okay.
No, equal knowledge you will get on all these points. But
Okay.
when you dropping the resume,
Mm-hmm.
it's your choice. Whatever the components that you feel confident enough, that is sufficient. We see, again, one more clarity I want to give you. We've been covering these many components, team, but in real time, it's not required really. No one will work on all these things also.
Right.
three modules from functional and 3 to 4 concepts from technical. If you prepare enough, I mean, if you prepare thoroughly on these things, they are quite sufficient. But as part of this offering, we've been covering these all things. But when you are preparing, in due course of time, I will be telling, once we start the plan and all, I will tell what are the main components to keep in and all.
Okay. Is there anything specific that we can choose between modules alone
Hi, Kumar.
functionally?
This is
No,
Satish.
nothing like that.
Kumar, I
Once
just
again,
want to know the.
one second, Satish. Let me answer her question. Sorry. No, Shakti, like, we don't have like that. By default, in the course, these all things will be covered. But what you've been using is up to the requirement that you have. Okay.
All right.
Yes, Satish, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shakti. Satish, please. Yes.
Yeah, I just want to know that you will going to cover all the functional topics, whatever you mentioned in the spreadsheet.
Obviously, whatever we highlighted, we will be covering. Not all the modules, whatever I bolded, 5 modules as I mentioned, no, that will be covered.
Okay, I have one more question. Like the current, like the batch timings is 7 to 8 IST, right?
Correct.
So do you have any other batch with the 8 to 9?
No, Satish, it will take more couple of months because last month we started 8 to 9. That will take 2 more months to complete. So now at this moment it is 7 to 8.
Okay, thank you.
But don't worry, people having time constraints or something, every day by 8:30, sessions will get uploaded into your portal. In daytime, at your ease or the convenient, you can complete the session and reach out to us for doubts. Every time team will be available between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay. And I can
Satish,
see,
Venkat.
yes, Venkat.
Yeah, Satish. So I have 13 years
Kumar,
experience in payroll operations, actually.
yes,
So
Venkat, what is it? Payroll operations?
no, I am a process manager, about 13 years experience in payroll operations. So
Acha, into
I want
HR.
to do a freelancing in the HCM world. So how it will help me and what are the opportunities for the freelancing?
Definitely. Many companies, I don't say that big companies will offer, but many startup or mid-level companies taking the candidates on the freelancing also. Even we do help out with that because we do get requirements from the companies. So from our students, we will be mapping that requirements as well. But and again, even it is freelancing also, the interview will be same like a real-time employment only. They do expect knowledge-wise the same knowledge. If you are prepared enough, yes, you can able to have your career as a freelancer also.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. Yes,
Kumar,
Krishna, yes.
yeah. So what about the other modules? I mean, if you want to explore more on OTL and all, or the, so do we
As
have
of
another?
now,
Yeah.
in this time, I mean, the bandwidth that what we have 3 months, these are the things that we can able to cover, but these are the advanced modules. OTL, if anyone want, I can support with the external videos. Okay.
Uh,
Live I cannot able to cover, but ORC we have a separate course because ORC is the biggest module in the entire HCM. It will take 30 hours alone for ORC. For core HR and ORC, a combination course will be available. That's a different thing. If anyone interested, you can go with that. Yeah.
Thanks much. I mean, it's good that you will be provided with OTL videos, external
OTL
videos.
available, no problem.
Thanks.
And thank you. Vikas, do we record daily sessions? Yes, Vikas, that's what I'm telling. The portal access given to you for that purpose only. Every day session, day by day, will upload into the portal, and you can able to refer this anytime. This is for lifetime. And Meghraj, SQL query and B. See, BI will be covered, Meg, in this thing, but we are not going to take up the classes on SQL because in this 90 hours, I cannot fit that language to cover. But material, if you want from the point of SQL, definitely yes, helping you out. And Shana was, yes, the same question what Kiran asked. Functional module, yes, okay, that will be covered. Yes.
Yeah, Kumar, this is Shanaz here. Just to reconfirm the things like, so we'll not be covering the OTL and ORC, right?
No,
As you
no.
said. So only the videos for the OTL will be provided.
OTL we will provide. ORC, it's a separate course you have to opt for. OTL, if you want, I can provide the external videos. Okay.
And we don't have the self-paced videos as well for the ORC.
We do have the batch is starting actually from next month 15th onwards. Post that you can
Okay.
plan.
So it's a completely different course, a different thing.
Different
Okay.
course all the way
Wow.
around.
Is
Thank
it
you.
like, hi, Kumar? Like, is it like ORC, if at all we want to take only ORC, is it okay, or we have to take HCM and that would be fine if we have
See,
to take the
only
certificate
ORC
ORC?
means that is one of the module only in the system. So learning only ORC will not have the calls. Along with HCM, if you plan ORC, that would be a cakewalk to you. But only ORC means it's hard because simple for one module, taking a consultant with 10-15 lakhs package, companies will be having a constraint, right? So mix along with the HCM, you have to take, I mean, along with other modules, 2-3 other modules and ORC, that would be a good combination. Okay.
And how important
I
is ORC? I mean, like in the real scenarios, I mean, like it's very mandatory to have to learn
Not,
that
not
module.
mandatory. Again, see, ORC people who will be mostly interested is something like people from Talio backgrounds will come, prior recruiting tools. They will mainly focus on that. But exclusively ORC is not a only requirement in the market. These modules, what I have mentioned, these are the major happening modules, whatever we are covering in this program. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent. ORC is an additional added value, that's all, but it's not a main thing. Because still many companies using Talia only as a recruiting. Slowly they are moving towards now ORC. And Sumit, after this session, we need to create account. Sumit, I think you already confirmed with the payment. Today I will be sharing the account to you in the email. You don't need to create anything. Our team will create and will share to you. Okay.
Krishna,
And
this is
Vikas, one second. Are there are fast track? We can. Vikas, unfortunately, no, Vikas. It will be weekdays only. But people who have any time issue, time, not time, something like they want to complete it in a short period, like within 1 month only, if they are planning. I don't suggest that, but if anyone have that kind of rush, particularly people from US, they will have their offers in hand and they will start their trainings. For these people, my suggestion is along with the live training, we can enable the recent completed batch to you. You can complete the sessions upfront. So that way you can able to complete it in a quicker way. Okay. And Mahmood Sheikh, we have currently. You can check out Sheikh. Just you can go to any Naukri portal and you can search with these keywords, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud or Global HR, something like that. You can able to expect that results in that. Okay.
Satish is found here. So I have a HR
1
background of.
second. I see. I'm not Satish actually. I'm Kumar. I'm not Satish.
Sorry.
Please, one tell me. Yeah.
Yeah. So Kumar, I have a HR background for almost 8 years. So even I hire for Oracle practice only. So how do the market will be for HR people? I mean, who are moving to this HCM cloud. So I saw most of the profiles that we hire are getting shortlisted in the interview. So if they have done the course like that,
Correct.
so how would be the market for us?
See, for HR background people or any other background people, the market for this technology is very good. But the only thing is you have to showcase some sort of relevant knowledge in this domain. How means, let's say you are working as a HR in some company. So at least you have to tell that in your organization, they are using this Oracle Fusion HCM as an internal HR application tool, and you've been working as an end user to that from last 2-3 years like that. Rather than showcasing kind of fake employment or something, in your current experience only, some sort of flavor, if you could add in the resume, the attention of the interviewer will be taken up. When the HR shortlisting the profile, they do shortlist. So in this way, many HRs I have seen from my batches, I'm seeing many people will be moving out in the same thing. So they have to showcase something like that. Definitely in that way, profile will get picked up.
No, thank you.
Yeah.
Kumar, after
So
completing the functional modules, so in case if we were further interested in combining two modules, let's say I'm interested in core HR and then absence. So is there any further training after that additionally that we can get knowledge from that?
No, what is the question, Shakti? I didn't get
So
that.
after completing these 3 months of training, right?
Mm-hmm.
I've got exposed in the first to fifth module, and I still
Mm-hmm.
wanted detailed information on two particular modules. Let's say core HR and the second one absence management.
Mm-hmm.
So how is it going to be, or will I be able to take up that course from you, or how
Shakti,
is it?
nothing. Separate course is not required. Once you attend this program, you will become master on all these concepts. Okay.
All right. Okay.
So separately, see, probably you might be getting confused in the website that we offered core HR plus absence something. That's a recorded
Right.
video
Yes.
only
Yes.
for, see, some people will have a requirement only for one module like that. So to make them also provide with a service, we have segregated that. But ideally, when you are starting the career in this domain, learning one or two will not be sufficient. So at
Okay.
least 3 modules or maximum 4 modules from functional and these technical concepts is very much needed. But
Okay. So I was. Mhm.
for whom you kept that course, Kumar, means in some cases they might be working in some other already in the application on other modules. One or two
Mhm.
modules they are additionally required in the project. For them, it will be useful. But for not for the people who are planning to start their career in this technology, companies will require they will look at minimum 3 4 modules or technical aspects in the system.
Okay, okay. Because I'm from a sales background, I was
And
thinking which module I'll be fitting
yeah,
in.
yeah.
So that's where my
No, no, this program, what we offering is mandatorily required. Whatever that the modules and the technical aspects are highlighted,
Mhm,
if we are thorough enough with these concepts, then
mhm.
we will be in a situation to attend any sort of interview that will be scheduling.
Okay, Kumar. Kumar, is there any direct contact that we can reach out to you, or is that we'll be reaching out to the help support side from your
You
end, or
you
how is
can
it?
reach out to me. You can call to this number. Team will
Okay,
assign to me. Okay, you can see the number on the slide here, 8179.
okay. I've noted
They
that.
will be
Okay,
intimating to me today. Okay, no
sure,
problem.
sure.
So that's
Kumar,
enough for
Thank you.
team. Yes,
Kumar,
Srikanth.
this is Srikanth.
Manila, Srikanth.
Yeah,
Okay.
regarding this real-time project and all, you will
Mhm.
be involving you as also, or how you will be teaching about the real-time?
Real-time projects means, first of all, for every module, we will provide the project assignments. In each module requirement, we will give you, and you can able to configure it in the system, document it, and you can share it back to us. Along with that, I'm going to take some workshop sessions on the implementation side on the support projects. Means in implementation, what we will do, what are the phases we have like that. Support project, what we will do like that. So like that, you will
Because
get a hands-on real-time experience as if you implementing the project, how are the things will happen. That all experience you will be getting.
you will be
And
involving the,
contact Monica, Karthik. I will be available from 11 to 5 today. You can come down.
with the client.
Contact,
One
1 second.
second. The
Yes,
client, the
Srikanth.
requirements will be there, right?
Yes.
The requirements and all will be getting on spot, or like you will be explaining to us.
I'll be telling you over the span of time, every 15 days like that, every module wise, you are giving you the requirements, how it looks like and all.
Because we need to do logical thinking will be there, right? If a project is very
Obviously.
big.
Obviously, but usually at the starting level of the employment, you might not be expected to be part of solution designing. Usually that will be taken care by the senior consultants or the principal. But again, as a junior level resource, you will be in all the discussions. Over the span of time, once you attend 3 4 years of experiences, then you will be involved in direct solution designing and all.
Okay. Yeah, thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah.
Hi Kumar,
Okay.
Gaurav this side.
Yes, Gaurav.
Hi Kumar, I do have experience in US recruitment. I'm currently working as a sales head.
Mhm.
So I just want to know after the completion of this course, my experience will count in relatively basis, or I mean, I will be considered as a fresher.
See, if you are already into US recruiting or something, as a same Pawan, as I told to Pawan, the same way that you have to plan, showcase some sort of relevant experience from your current employment only. Something like your client using these technologies and you've been exposed as an end user to this. Now planning to move to implementation side like that. Directly
Okay.
dropping as a fresher is not a good choice. Means
Okay.
freshers who college passed out 1 year,
Mm,
2 years, 3 years, okay, they're
mm,
okay.
mm.
They are freshers. But over a span of time, you worked for 5 years or 6 years as a HR recruiter or some other domain experiences. Now, if you mention that I have learned this course in TrioTech and I'm dropping the resumes, it will be a bit difficult for the recruiters to shortlist. You know better. You are
Got it.
also a recruiter, right? How
Yes,
things
yes,
will.
I got
Yeah.
it. Got it. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. So right team, I will conclude here for today. Yes, without a laptop, you can attend the session, but for practicing, it requires laptop. If you want to practice, equip now Riaz. If you want to practice, yes, you require laptop. But for attending the training, not required. Or for going through the video recordings in the portal, not required. You can access from mobile. Okay. Monica, how can I contact you, Kumar? You can contact me on this number, Monica, on the display screen here you're seeing, right? That. So right team, thank you everyone for attending the demo. I'm really sorry that I have extended the session a bit ahead, but from tomorrow it will be 7 to 8 strictly because I do have other sessions followed by after 8 o'clock team. So I will be concluding every day 7 to 8. So I request everyone, please confirm your enrollments today with the payments team so that you will be added in the WhatsApp group, and also tomorrow's meeting link will be shared with your team. Okay. Thank you. Thank you everyone team.